Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to check if someone is active on Facebook. When you open the Facebook Messenger application, a horizontal bar with currently active user will be displayed at the top of the screen if you don't see that line. To see active users in this way, the active status option must be enabled on your account. If this option is not turned on automatically, follow the steps below. First step is open the Facebook Messenger application on your mobile, then select Account Setting by clicking on the user profile in the upper right side of the screen. Within the profile setting, select the Active Status option. Check the Show when you are active option. This way you can see the users with the active status option enabled. Go back to the checkbox. Here you can see now who's online.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.